Maitho mothe muthenya wa ruciu makarorereria igoti-ini ritogiru riria Giikaro cia guthikiriria maciira maria mahanditwo megie maumirira ma giturwa kia upresdent githurano-ini kihituku ikambiriria.
Supreme Court Judge Dissent.
Majaji mugwanja a igoti riri makagomana kwambiriria thaa 5 cia kiroko kwarira mitaratara ya uria cira uyu ugakorwo gitwarithio na mbere.
Filings have been done and tomorrow we are expecting the pre-trial session right here at the ceremonial hall. Remember, the last two petitions have been done at the Supreme Court, but the space there is so restricted, is so limited. This is the only other place that we could find within Nairobi.
Maciira kenda nimo mahanditwo igoti-ini ni ikundi ngurani ari hamwe na atongoria a ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja 1 Kenya makiregana na uhotani wa Ndagitari William Ruto uria wanirirwo ta muhotani ni kamiti ya IEBC thutha wa kumatha kura milioni 7.1.
7 judges are expected to participate. Remember, in the last season we only had 6 judges participating. This time round we expect all of them to be present.
Mamwe mamaria atongoria a Azimio mekireire nganja cira-ini wao ni hamwe na namba ya andu aria meyumiririe gwikia kura na hone mahianite itumi cia kuonania gutire mundu ahotire kumatha kura gicunje kia 50 kuongerera 1 kuringana na watho uria ugite.
Expected that as at 11 o'clock tomorrow morning all the rulings relating to the interlocutory applications shall have been delivered so that the pre-trial session begins without any pending applications.
Gatagati ka maciira maya kenda umwe wamo uhanditwo ni mutongoria wa kiama gia CCK Moses Kuria na wendekithitie igoti riri rikindire uhotani wa Ruto toria anirirwo ni IEBC kuonania thurirwo na njira ya uma na waragania.
7,176,141.
Atongoria a ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja mahariirie mawakiri 41 aria makamarugamirira cira-ini uyu na mawakiri 58 aria makarugamirira Ndagitari William Ruto makigeta icoka kung'ethanira nao.
Expecting that every team will be allowed only up to 4 lawyers. It is still being negotiated and we're expecting that the guidelines will be provided anytime now.
Majaji mugwanja a igoti riri ritogiru matanyitwo kurekerera itua ria muthia muthe wa mwambiririo kiumia giukite.